Hi friends, welcome to the quiz star. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Start with the easy level. Hey, my regular genius viewer, welcome back. Nobody can find F within given time. Wow, super catch. Hey, find the odd beer, only 10 seconds. Wow, super catch the different beer. Find the odd number 6, only 10 seconds. Come on, my regular genius viewer, challenge your eyes. Can you complete the easy level? Wow, regular genius viewer, come on. Hey, spot the odd super monkey. Come on, my regular genius viewer. Wow, super catch the super monkey. Hey, 95% viewer failed to find 3 within given time. Wow, super fast eyes. Hey, find the odd Santa, only 10 seconds. Wow, perfect, the different Santa. Are you focus master? Find P. Come on, focus master. Yes, perfect. You are focus master. Hey, math lovers, test your math skills. Can you solve this? Come on, my regular genius viewer. Wow, perfect. You are math master. Hey, genius, can you find 60, only 10 seconds? Wow, fantastic. Easily find. Come on. Hey, my regular genius viewer, test your brand. Find the repeated 2 numbers within given time. Wow, nice catch. The repeated number is 8. Test your observation skills, only 10 seconds. Hey, my genius viewer, completed an easy level. Medium level start. Hey, my regular genius viewer, spot the different number 151 within given time. Wow, perfect, the sharp eyes. Find the odd candy within given time. Perfect. The different candy. Nobody can find the letter P, C, O. Wow, perfect. Letter is find. Hey, can you find the odd one within given time? Wow, perfect. The different emoji. Hey, spot the odd ice cream. Wow, perfect. The different ice cream. Hey, test your general knowledge within given time. Perfect. The right answer too. Only smart guys find 126. Hey, you are smart guys. Come on. Hey, my regular genius viewer, test your math skills. Can you solve this? Yes, genius, you are math master. Test your brain power, find 725. Come on, my regular genius viewer. Wow, super catch, completed medium level. Start with the hard level. Hey, my regular genius viewer, challenge your first eyes. Can you complete the hard level? Hey, my regular genius viewer, come on. Find the odd emoji within given time. Super catch, the different emoji. Find the odd letter within time. Wow, excellent. Letter is find. Hey, my regular genius viewer, 1% viewer pass this challenge. Come on, regular genius viewer. Hey, super fast eyes, regular genius viewer. Find the odd egg within given time. Wow, perfect. The different egg. Hey, find the repeated two letters within given time. Wow, perfect. The repeated letter is B. Pick the odd one. Picking master, come on. Hey, excellent. You're picking master. Hey, my regular genius viewer. One letter is different within given time. Wow, perfect. The different letter. Spot the odd number 73 and 93. Hey, my question is hard, but my viewer is super genius. Come on, my regular genius viewer. Wow, super regular genius viewer. Anybody can find 33 and 56. Wow, perfect. 33 and 56. Find the odd one out. 2002. Nice catch. 2002. Hey, test your visual skills. Find double 14. Wow, easily find the double 14. Hey, only math master, can you solve this? Wow, perfect. Math master. Hey, my regular genius viewer, the final challenge within given time. Nice work, my regular genius viewer. Completed hard level. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Next challenge